Guys, my name is Lilian Douglas and I am an international student at the University of Limerick. I'm currently studying information and network security, and this is a day in my life isolation vlog. So I like to do a little bit of self-care, comb my hair. I kind of set myself in the mood for lectures for the day. And while I do this, I also try to look at my messages, try to get up to date and see what I have missed. Hi, Mom. At this time, it's 3 minutes to 9 and I am getting ready for my first lecture, which is a lab. While I prepare for that lab, I'll just take out time to go through my emails, see what I have missed out from school. Right now, I think I'm up to date and I am going to dive into my lab exercise. This is what our series look like. These are my assessments that I need to do, and we also have a chat room where we can discuss with one another and also discuss with our lecturers, ask them questions. It's 11 o'clock and I'm done with my first lab. My next class is at 1 p.m. and I think I'm just going to go look for something to eat.
Even to one person, alright, well, this is what happens if you have to go into self-isolation. Well, then this video is the worthwhile. That's kind of it. If this was a...
It's time for my next class and I will see you after the class. Hi guys, and this is my last class for the day and I will see you after the class. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. It is currently 8 p.m. and I am heading out for a run. I would like to say a very big thank you to my school lecturers and staff members for a successful transition of the classroom to online lecture. I hope everyone out there is keeping safe, observing physical distancing. Thank you so much and bye-bye.